Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Physiology Odyssey, your journey into the world of human physiology. Today, we will explore the brain's Analgesia System. This session is based on Guyton and simplified for easy understanding, perfect for students and anyone curious about how nervous system controls pain. Okay, now let's see what the slide says. Pain suppression system in the brain and spinal cord. Pain perception varies significantly among individuals. The brain has an intrinsic analgesia system. This system can suppress pain signals at the level of spinal cord. We all know that different people react differently to pain. This is because our brain has an inbuilt system to suppress the pain, which is called analgesia system. This system is capable in controlling the pain signals at the level of a spinal cord, even before reaching the brain. Am I clear? Now, this slide is about the components of analgesia system. Sorry. Yes. Now, there are three main components of analgesia system. Number one, periaqueductal gray. As you can see over here, this is periaqueductal gray. This is located in mesencephalon. Okay, and periventricular areas. Periventricular areas are located in both mesencephalon and pons. Second one is nucleus raphe-magnus. Nucleus raphe-magnus is located in medulla oblongata and nucleus reticularis paragigantocellularis. This is located at the junction of medulla and pons. The third one is pain inhibitory complex. This is located in dorsal horns of spinal cord. As you can see over here, this is dorsal horn. Okay, so signals from all these three components of analgesia system travel all the way from the brain to the spinal cord, specifically to analgesia system, to inhibit the pain transmission at the level of a spinal cord. Okay, now mechanism of pain inhibition, how the system works. Periaqueductal gray over here and nucleus raphe-magnus send the signal to the dorsal horn of a spinal cord. Okay, a stimulation of periaqueductal gray and raphe-magnus can significantly reduce the pain at the level of a spinal cord. Interestingly, higher brain centers, higher brain areas, not higher brain centers, it's higher brain areas like periventricular nuclei and medial forebrain bundle, both are located in the hypothalamus, can activate this system, thereby enhancing the pain suppression at the level of spinal cord. Neurotransmitter involved in analgesia system. There are two neurotransmitters which are mainly involved in analgesia system. Number one, enkephalin, and number two is serotonin. Enkephalin is secreted in periaqueductal gray and nucleus raphe-magnus. On the other hand, serotonin is released in the dorsal horn of a spinal cord. Functions of enkephalin is to inhibit pain transmission at the level of a spinal cord, whereas the function of serotonin is to stimulate the local release of enkephalin, thereby enhancing the pain suppression, which is of course at the level of a spinal cord. Now, these chemicals are basically blocking the pain signals at the level of the spinal cord by inhibiting the type C fibers and A delta fibers. Type C fibers, which is unmyelinated, and A delta fibers, which are myelinated, before and after their synapses in the dorsal horn. Now, natural opiate system of the brain. Approximately 50 years back, Approximately 50 years back, it was discovered that analgesia can be induced by injecting a small amount of morphine to specific areas of our brain. This led to the discovery of several natural opiate-like substances in our brain. These can be beta-endorphin, met-enkephalin, leu-enkephalin, and dynorphin. Here it's worth mentioning that all these chemicals are derived from few large protein molecules like pro-opiomelanocortin, pro-enkephalin, and pro-dynorphin. Now, another interesting mechanism is gate control theory of pain, which states that a stimulation of large A delta fibers, delta sensory fibers, which is responsible for the transmission of touch and pressure to the brain, can significantly reduce the pain from the same areas. That is the reason rubbing near a painful site often causes relief from the pain. This happens basically due to the lateral inhibition at the level of a spinal cord. Now, gate control theory of pain also explains why acupuncture, as you can see over here, acupuncture and liniments often causes relief from the pain. Okay, that is all from the session today. This is what is given in Guyton. I have simplified that and give it to you. Okay, thank you everyone.